Alright, it is 2:36 on Sunday morning. I have finished all of that wiring. It's a mess, but it works. Finished the battery backups as well as wireless networks they need. I am currently working on expanding some stuff so they can have a conference with the mayor is coming in with a delegation, have some kind of meeting, conference meeting with them. So we've made it so that they have a wire to there and everything can work in the conference room. It's talk about flipping things and getting things going. And then we are taking care of the printers, the network printers right now. After that, we check every machine to make sure that it connects to the internet because they all turn on, they all have network connectivity. And after that, the only ones that are left are the ones that need to come out of the domain. And we are just about to get there. This has been Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, and we're now into Sunday morning. And very little sleep, but a lot of work. We're getting it done. We're almost there. Patrick just told me he has a watch this moment, so I told him I can't do watch this without a camera.
Are you speaking Southern right now?
Yes, I am.
So,
watch this.
when you drill a hole, how do you find out that you hit the line before you hit it?
I don't know, but there's wires right there and a hole right there.
No, what? This can't be online.
This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be famous. Patrick's gonna be infamous. He don't have shoes on. This could get exciting.
Any rubber shoes?
Rubber soles.
So Daniel, unfortunately there's no way to find out.
Until you know.
Unless,
Live wire! Live wire! Of course, you won't be yelling. You're gonna be jerking.
gosh,
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to go. I'm
Past that?
spelunking.
I do want to say that people do lose inhibitions more often, you know, after a normal hour, which it is 3:27 in the morning. Hello.
I'm thinking the screwdriver won't puncture the line.
Yeah.
You want to hammer it?
Thank God they don't put open lines in anymore. That's the 1920s, right? Woo-wee.
You don't want to hammer it?
I don't see any sparks yet, folks. I think he's good. But wait, there's more. Get loud. He's getting up close and personal with that electrical.
Well, I'm through, but I can't see if there's a wire.
This is going to be interesting.
Okay.
Patrick asked me how bad of an idea this was, and I said, it depends. You have life insurance for your kids and wife.
Please do not share this with Sue. Online. You block her from.
Block her. Oh my goodness. You got that. That's good. No fire, folks. No fire. Of course, we had fire earlier. Somebody wired the cubes wrong, and these guys lit up some of the power strips they plugged in. All right, I think we're good. Okay, we're going to install a Work Center printer by Xerox onto a desktop. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to I add printers that are network printers with the static IP by doing local printer and then create a new port for it as a standard TCP/IP port. Sometimes doing it this way allows you to pull in the information quicker. So I'm going to put in the actual IP address of that printer. That one's at 205 for us. So we're going to go here and press next. It says it can't find the disk. So instead of going to the internet, sometimes it hangs up. Move this over here so I can hold it. But I'm going to go in here, and the coolest thing is by one of these machines, so you can actually go to it and find it. I'm going to do that. 10. I'm going to go to it on this network, because if I browse to this actual address, boom, there's the work center itself. From here, I'm able to, install print scan drivers right there. I'll click that. It's going to do a little download for me. That's the setup executable file. And then once that does it, this is the exact driver for this model this way. So it's much better than going to the web and trying to get it, because it's just right here in this interface by going to it. That's a real slick trick with the Xerox machines. Well, we just got a shocker. The whole area is booked. All the rooms.
Then turn right on University Boulevard.
All the rooms are booked, and I guess you could probably figure out what I'm getting ready to do. I'm driving home. I'm going to go 50 minutes from here, driving home. It's 4:22, 4:44
right
in the morning.
University Boulevard.
I'm going to turn right.
On Snowden River Parkway.
You hear me? That's how I'm going. But anyways, so I'm heading home. It is way hard to drive after being up so many nights for 3 nights, and I've only had a few hours between of sleep, but I got to get out of here. So I'm heading back. I'll keep you posted when I get home.
Turn right on Snowden River Parkway.
After I turn on right on Snowden Parkway, like the lady says, I will record one more video. So almost there, guys. The merge will be done today. Awesome.